Hello, everyone. We all know one of the major problems that the country, the working population are facing is the problem that we are not able to find our dream jobs and dream internships. One of the major problems of the working population, which include us and everybody, is finding the dream job or dream internship. But do you know the major problem is not finding. The major problem is finding those one of those portals through which we can get the solution. And here we, our team internship Fiesta, came up with the solution known as Naukri Sathi, which is an AI-based internship job recommendation system for the PM internship scheme. We have tried to solve all those issues which we as students have faced and try to make it very useful, very gamified for everybody. Trying to monitor the major points that we are facing are one of the problem statements that we have mentioned given by our Smart India Hackathon 25. The major issues even they have listed and the problems that we are also facing is that diverse applicants from the India has huge diversity. Youths from rural, tribal, urban slums, remote options, and the first generation learners have issues. One of more issues are limited exposure, low digital literacy, no prior experiences, and matching challenging problems. And of the most problems are also the lack and the misses of the opportunities due to timeline, due to lack of knowledge, and everything. So we have came up with a solution, Naukri Sathi, which tries to solve all these issues with the one gamified platform. The major proposed solutions and the features that we provide are AI based internship job recommendation system, personalized learning platforms, private government and global opportunities, gamified user experiences, one unified platform, and a career based chatbot support system. As we all know, the trend of AI and the era of AI has been rapidly increasing. We think that AI will be going to take our jobs, but it's not. We can also use AI for our health. The same way that we have tried to make as an AI based career platform for every Indian student to try all the solutions. We, the students, try to make it very visible and viable. The business potentials that we have aimed are the data insights, the partnership with the private, global, and government internships, job listing, and revenue. One of all those challenges that every websites are facing that are the crashes, data privacy losses, user retention methods, system integrations, content freshness, and technical scalabilities. So our solution, Naukri Sathi, tries to solve all these issues by training, API integration, live data updates, cloud scaling, regular updates, and regular messages for all the users. So here we try to explain our prototype, which is Naukri Sati. As we can see that this is the landing page. It needs to be very gamified, and in very simple words, we have tried. Our headline: Find your dream job and internship aims to focus on this. So here we have tried to make it a simple prototype where you can see that start your journey, browse internships, internship across India's one of the major cities that provide the internships, the jobs for the youngsters are Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. Here are few of the jobs like you can see that Zomato, Paytm, Byju's, Flipkart, TCS, Swiggy's, and many more that we think are huge, but it's not. We have also tried to make it multilingual. For now, it's only seven languages, but we will try to integrate as more as possible. Let's try to log in and explore all the features that we have tried and we have also faced. So let us log in. Here we try to log in with a mock data. As you can see that here is the name of Rahul, named person, and here we try to log in. So here it is the personal dashboard for the Rahul Kumar. He has sent 12 applications, 3 interviews are left, 5 courses he has completed, and the ATS score of his resume is 78%. Trying to make it more gamified, his user experiences are 23. The rank is after 1,250 weekly reports of the applications Here are some of the batches that he has to complete, and here are some of the batches that he has completed. These are few of the achievements on the basis of the activities that he has faced. These are the weekly goals. As you can see that he can also try to browse all jobs manually, and for getting the complete profile AI recommendation, let us see for the browse of manual jobs for the private, government, and global. We all know that we youngsters, the generations, the Gen Zs, try to grab all the opportunities, not only for government, not only for private, but for internationals. And we have tried to focus on all those points and try to came up with a solution. So let us try the major factor, which is the AI recommendation. So as you can see that he needs to complete his complete profile, he need to type his age, and let us assume he is 23. He is a male. Location we try to give at Kolkata, and let his user experience be as a fresher. So he can get his AI recommendation. So he has a 95% of job matching probabilities, the expected salary ranges, the interview success rates, the career growth potentials. These are few of those locations like Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, and more. He can also the skills he need to next like, so he need to browse those. So profile successfully updated, and he has earned, as you can see, that 100 points also for browsing for more gamified experiences. So for all, he has got all the recommendations, and if he need, he can separate it by private. These are some of those private. These are government as ISRO's, and this is an international, which is USA. So he can also check his ATS score, like the resume that he has uploaded, the keywords match, the format, the content, the skills. These are few of the recommendations. Then he can also see the skill gap analysis on the basis of the recommended jobs and the resume that he has uploaded. He can see his skill gap analysis, that what are the course, and here are some of the courses, the timelines, the durations, the money. Some of them are free, and also that. So we go back to the jobs, and he can also go for the interview preparations for all the rounds for the HRs, and here are preparation tips. We will also be integrating the jobs and more future details. And on his profile section, he can see all his details that he has filled, like college name, fresher, CTC, what are his skills, what are the applications, everything he can see that. So here we try to conclude our session. As we can see that he has completed, so he has earned this profile completion badge, and these will be helping him getting a more successful job, and these listings are very important. Here we conclude by internship is and we try to make it fully developed, and hope that every youngster facing this issue can be resolved by us. Thank you so much.